So this month we've got the Jerry Rig Nova Wagon sent in by Keith at Outlaw Speed Shop, and what he wants to have done is have this slammed to the ground. So let's get on it. So I've got everything taken apart here, and this casting, it's got the molded base that's molded to fit the gasser style stance. We can't have that, so we're going to have to create our own. Underneath these parts here, I've got some styrene sheet. I'm going to have to transfer some dimensions and make my own base. Alright, now I've got the base out of styrene pretty much form fitted. As we know, we had the gasser style base that was on here, and we need to make this slam, so I'm just going to make that base myself. Got the holes drilled in it, wheel wells. And what I need to do is I need to use the axle tube here, cut the fit using some of the K&S music wire, and the thicker stuff. This is the actual axle from the wheels that I'm using, which I can't remember where I got these, but need to cut that out, bored out the hole so these fit through, then using a crimp tube glued on the end, which will act as a stop inside the hub of the wheel. So I need to measure these off, get them glued in there, get the wheel set up, mock it up in there, see if it works. Here's basically what I was talking about with the crimp tube on the end. It'll fit right in there on the hub. It's glued onto the shaft, and then put both of them together, glued them onto the base. It looks like we got her slammed down. project, I'm going to use all rattle can from primer to clear coat. The Pro Tour Slam Chevy Nova Wagon. Thank Keith at Outlaw Speed Shop for the opportunity on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.